To begin options trading on Webull, first create an account and download the mobile app or access the website. Ensure you have a funded account as options trading requires a margin account. Navigate to the Trade section and select the Options tab. Webull offers a variety of options trading tools and resources, including an options screener, volatility charts, and market data. Familiarize yourself with these tools to make informed trading decisions. To place an options trade, select the underlying asset, such as a stock or ETF, and choose the type of option you want to trade, either a call or put. A call option gives you the right to buy the underlying asset at a specified price, while a put option gives you the right to sell. Next, choose the strike price, expiration date, and number of contracts you want to trade. The strike price is the price at which you can buy or sell the underlying asset, and the expiration date is the last day you can exercise the option. After selecting your trade parameters, review the quote and confirm your order. Webull will display the current market price, bid, and ask, as well as any applicable fees and commissions. Once your trade is executed, you can monitor and adjust your position as needed. Webull offers a variety of order types, including market orders, limit orders, and stop-loss orders, which can help you manage risk and maximize profits. It is essential to understand the risks and rewards of options trading, including the potential for unlimited losses if you sell options. Always use proper risk management techniques, such as position sizing and stop-loss orders, to protect your account. Webull also offers a paper trading feature, which allows you to practice trading with virtual money and hone your skills before risking real capital. Take advantage of this feature to develop a trading strategy and build confidence in your abilities. By following these steps and using the tools and resources available on Webull, you can successfully trade options and achieve your investment goals. Remember to stay informed, adapt to changing market conditions, and continually educate yourself on options trading strategies and best practices.